Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be in a good health. So, today we are going to do exercise work in notebooks. So, just open your English notebooks. In our previous lecture, we have studied a text which was a personal writing of Imran Khan, in which he has described the summers in Murray. He shared his experiences with us when he was 7 years old and he was there in Murray. We have read the text. Now we will do the question answers. So you have to prepare your page like this. You have to mention the day on which you are doing your work over here. Then you will mention the classwork over here, and you also have to mention the class number, also the page number and the date. Then you have to give the heading with the blue marker, Unit 1, Where We Live. The first topic which we have done in Where We Live was about the emails. We have done the exercise work of that as well. Now we are going to do summers in Murray. The first question is, how did the summer in Gora Gully and Murray compare with summer in the Plains? So the answer is, the summer in Plains was hot, whereas in Murray it was pleasant during summer season, and that is why Imran Khan used to visit Murray in the season of summer. Okay. Now the next question is, why were the hills a magical spot for the writer as a boy? When the writer was a boy, when Imran Khan was a boy, he said that hills are a magical spot. Why did he said like that? So, the hills were a magical spot for the writer as a boy because he loved the cool mountain air, the crystal clear climate, the wildlife, monkeys, jackals, and hundreds of exotic birds. He loved all these things, and that were there on the hilly areas. That's why he said that hills are a magical spot for me. Okay, now move towards the third question. The third question is, how would you describe the feelings of the writer as a boy for the panther that killed a donkey in Donga Gully? How he felt when that panther was killed in Donga Gully and almost 40 bullets were pumped into that panther. How was the writer feeling at that time? The writer was feeling empathy. The writer was feeling empathy means to feel sorry, to be sad. So he was sad and he feel empathy for the panther that killed a donkey in Donga Gully. The fourth question we have is, how did what happened to the panther in Islamabad affect what happened to the snow leopard in Chitral? When the panther was killed by police in Islamabad, it was widely condemned. All the people condemned the action of the police, and as a result, the snow leopard in Chitral was not killed. He was not shot, but was dosed with a sedative before letting it back into the wild. Then the fifth question is, as you can see here, we have the fifth question over here. How does the climate in the hills compare with that in the plains? How is the climate in the hilly areas and how is the climate in the plains? So, the climate in the hills is cool and pleasant. Whenever you go to the northern areas of Pakistan, you would know that the climate over there is very cool and pleasant, while in plains it is hot and dusty. So you have to do these 5 questions in your notebook. I think this is enough for today. Do your work in neat and clean writing. Use blue marker for the question and blue fountain pen for the answers, and also draw the finishing line or the ending line after each and every question. Take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.